Hello dear students, let us solve some more questions on factorization. Okay, so here it's given value of 18.2 whole square minus 11.8 whole square divided by 6.4 is what? Now when we look at this expression carefully, it looks like it is a square minus b square. That is the form here. A square, we can take a as 18.8, then this is b square. So we know from identities a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so now we have a square as 18.2 whole square minus b square as 11.8 whole square. So a will be 18.2 plus b is 11.8. Same way 18.2 minus 11.8. So what is this 18.2 plus 11.8? This will be 30. And what about this one? 18.2 minus 11.8. This will be 6.4. Because 18 minus 11 is 7 and 7.2 minus 0.8 is 6.4. Okay. So this is what we get from this numerator expression. Now denominator, what do we have? We have 6.4. So this 6.4 and this 6.4 gets cancelled. What is remaining? Remaining is 30. So option 2, 30 is the right answer. Length of a rectangle is 5 meters less than twice its breadth if the perimeter of rectangle is 62 meter. Its breadth is what? Okay. So length L, let us consider length as L, is 5 meter less than twice its breadth. So twice its breadth means 2b, because it says 5 meters less. So we will put it as minus 5 because it is 5 meters less. If it was 5 meters more, we could have put plus 5. That's all. Okay. And it is said twice its breadth. So 2b we have written. Now perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but 2 into L plus 2 into b. Perimeter of a rectangle is nothing but like this. Rectangle will be there. This is length. This is breadth. We will add the length 2 times and we will also add breadth 2 times. So 2L plus 2B. Okay. You can take out 2 common also. That's okay. Absolutely fine. So now, so instead of L, let us use this now. Perimeter. 2 into, instead of L, what can we write? 2B minus 5. Okay. Plus this normal 2b, whatever remaining. Okay, let us multiply this. 2 2s are 4, so 4b minus 2 5s are 10 plus 2b. So 4b plus 2b is 6b minus 10. Now what is perimeter value? They have given in the question. Perimeter is nothing but 62 meters. So I'm going to write this side 62 meters. That is 62 is nothing but is equal to 6b minus 10 we get. 6b minus 10. So minus 10 we send this side, it becomes plus 10. So 62 plus 10 is equal to 6b. 62 plus 10 is 72 is equal to 6b, or we can say 6b is equal to 72. B is equal to 72 by 6, which is nothing but 12. Therefore, option 1, 12 is the right answer. A common factor of p square plus 9p plus 14 and p square plus 13p plus 42 is what? Okay. Now let us see. We'll go one by one. P square plus 9p plus 14. We can write it as p square plus 7p plus 2p plus 14. Okay, instead of 9 we are writing 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. So here we will group the terms now. This is one group, this is another group. So in this group, what is the common letter? It is p. So when we take out common, inside we have p plus, from 7p we have taken out p common, so 7 remains. Okay, and into here 2p and 14, 2 is common, so plus 2 is common. If 2 is gone, remaining is p, plus from this 14 2 is out, so 7 will remain. Now p plus 7 is common. We will take out p plus 7. What is remaining? P plus 2. Therefore p plus 2. So p plus 7 into p plus 2 from the first equation. Same way, let us solve the second equation. P square plus 13p plus 42. P square plus, instead of 13p, we can write it as 7p plus 6p, because 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 into 6 is 42 plus 42. So now again we will take out common p. So remaining is p plus 7. And from this we can take out 6 as common. So inside p will remain plus 7. Remember, these two should be same. So p plus 7 common again. What is remaining? P plus 6. So p plus 6 is common. Now the question is a common factor of both the equations. So which is the common factor? If you observe, p plus 7 is the common factor. Therefore option 2, p plus 7 is the right answer. X to the power of minus 1 plus y to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. So let us do one by one. So x to the power of minus 1 means 1 by x plus y to the power of y means minus 1 means 1 by y whole to the power of minus 1. First we will solve this. This whatever is inside the bracket, we will take out LCM. Xy, this will come here, y will come here, this will come here. So it will become x plus y whole to the power of minus 1. Minus 1 means we have to inverse it. We have to simply reverse it. So xy, the denominator will come to numerator. It will come to numerator. The numerator will go to denominator. X plus y. So xy by x plus y. That is option 3 is the right answer. Thank you so much.